Hello, welcome to a tutorial of how to upload your Clonex to VRchat. This is going to be a long tutorial, so be chill because it's it's going to be a long one. But happy that you are here trying to use your Clonex on VRchat. First of all, we have to download four things. The first one is we have to log in into VRchat main page, and then setting up the SDK. We have to click here, exactly here. This is going to download the creator companion that I have already installed, so it's not need to download. But what this is going to do is create all the Unity file ready to just upload our avatar and upload to the game. Second one, we need to download this add-on. This is a shape case editor. This is super useful not only for this tutorial but for many more, and you will see that I will use it in a lot of tutorials. What you can do with this is change the name of all your shape case in just one click. So we go here, and now we have to download zip. I already have it here, so I'm not going to download it, but just download it. The other one that we need is the Cats Blender. This is an official VRchat add-on for you, Blender, to help us to set up our avatar for VRchat recommended. So same, go to code, download zip, and I already have it here, so it's not needed. And the last one is this one. This is the texture atlas generator. There are two ways to do this. To upload the avatar into VRchat. This is like the quick way, and honestly it looks super good. The other way it's a bit long, that it's baking all the texture in just two meshes that you will take a long time, but this is a very good one. So same, go to download zip and download this. Perfect. So now we are going to close this, and we are going to open a Blender file. We are going to import our VRM file that we have done before. In this case, I have imported the high quality one, so we have it here. Now what we have to do is install the add-ons, all the add-ons that we have downloaded. So perfect. I have already installed it. That's why I'm not doing it. Okay, now what we have to do, the first step is we have to change the shape case of some stuff of the avatar. For example, if we go to the face, the shape case have plane shape 1 dot blah blah blah. But if we go to the eyebrow, we have vs node eyebrow robot dot blah blah blah. So we have to put all the names in the same way. How? Well, if you have this that it's a secondary, you have to delete it. It is not needed. How? We are going to use the shape case editor. First of all, we are going to copy the part that we want to delete. We are going to search the shape case editor, rename by regex. We paste here on regex the name. On replace, we keep it empty, and we apply. And as we can see, we have deleted that part. We are going to do the same with all the textures. This one is the same with all the with all the meshes with blend shapes and the mouth. Each avatar has its own meshes, so maybe you have, for example, the spider that also have a plane shape, so you have to delete it from the spiders and you have to delete it from anyone. Perfect. Now that we have this, what we have done is that if we move right now, if we move, for example, I blink left, as you can see, we have to move the face plus the eyebrow plus the eyelash, okay? But we don't want this, and the games normally don't want this. They just want to be the same together. If we join now the faces with the mouth, and we click on join, what it's going to happen is if I click on I blink left, everything is going to happen together. So this is amazing. This is super useful also for animations, and this is pretty dope. Perfect. Now that we have this, we are going to start using Okay, we are going to start with this. We are going to click on fix fix model, no, sorry. First of all, optimization. Material, well, we have to click on convert, but we are not going to convert any texture to PNG because it's already done. So we have to go here, generate material list. Okay, now we have a full list of our materials. Okay, the eyes, this is another important thing. The eyes, both textures are not needed. We only need one, so we can delete one and rename it like eyes. So now we say update and it's updated. You can also join the texture that are the same. For example, the eyelash and the eyebrow texture, it's the same. So we can, for example, select the eyelash, select the robot and click on assign on one. So now we can delete the other one. Same for the mouth. We can click here and assign here, so we can delete this mouth. So if we go to the mouth is correct. Perfect. Now what we have to do is we have mouth, data, perfect, update material list, and now we select everything, and we are going to do a save atlas 2. We're going to put it on a folder, create atlas. What is going to happen now, you're going to see that it's not going to be correct. I'm doing this to let you see how to fix it if you have the same issue. Is an issue that I found yesterday. As you can see, we have a problem with the poof texture and the eyes texture. Okay, the other texture are good, they are correct, perfect. And what happened here? What we have done is joined all the texture in just one. Sorry, all the image in just a big image, that is this one. Okay, so all the texture, head, sweet, sandals, hair, in just one. But I don't know why the eye just keep the this texture, that it's the mission one, but not the diffuse, and the jacket too. I tried a lot of things, but the best thing to do to solve this is doing like this. What we have to do is we go back, Control C, it's loading, perfect. And now what we have to do is we update this, and we have to deselect the texture that doesn't work. For example, eyes and jacket, update and save atlas 2, and we save it. So now what is going to happen is that the jacket and the eyes are not going to be included in that atlas texture, so everything is going to be joined but the jacket and the eyes. Perfect. As we can see, we have lost some quality for the avatar, but it looks pretty dope, so I think it's good. Wait, yeah, as you can see, now we don't have this texture and it's everything correct. Perfect. Now what we need is, okay, we have 3 different textures. We can bake all the texture in just one, but I'm not going to do that because there are just 3 textures. VRchat allows us to upload 4 different materials per avatar, so we have 3 here. Okay, now what we are going to do is join all the texture in just one, I mean all the meshes in just one mesh. We are going to do this in this way. We are going to here, and on UV mask we have to check that all the texture have the same UV map, that in this case is called UV map. If it's like this, we only need to select everything, right click on the mouse and join. So now we have all the texture, all the meshes in one mesh. Okay, and as we can see, only three materials. Perfect. Now we are going to do the eye tracking. First of all, we have to search the head bone, the left eye, that it's left eye, LI, and the right eye, that it's here. And we have to search the plane shape of blink left, that it's eye blink left, and we search eye blink right, and lower lid it's squint left and squint right. Okay, what we are doing here is to track the eye movement. Okay, I don't like to have the eye movement on VRchat because it doesn't work very well, so it looks a bit weird. So I usually disable eye movement. If you want to do the eye movement and try it, just keep it like this, and you will see how the eye moves up, down. But trust me that it's not a good idea. So I click on disable movement and I click on create a tracking. Now we can test if that works. For example, we can test the eye blink or the lower lid. So as we can see, it works perfect. If you have put the eye movement on, you could check here the up and down and the left and right. But as I didn't put, pues, we are not going to see anything. So then we click on stop testing. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is create different business for the avatar. This is for the talking. This is for the eye movement when you talk in VRchat. This is super cool. So how are we going to do? First of all, we select the mesh. Sorry, I don't have. Well, you have it now. I didn't have on the screencast, so you were not seeing my. Well, don't worry. Okay, we select the mesh, we go to shape keys, and what we have to do is replicate the sound of this vocals. For example, how the mouth moves when you say A. Well, you can do as you prefer, but for me it's like a little bit open the mouth, but a little bit down. So we are going to put a little bit the J open, and then we are going to move lower down like this. No, this one not. Whoa. It's a bit like this. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, and I'm going to put this a little bit less. A. For me, this is an A. So I'm going to create a new shape from mix, and I'm going to call it AA. Okay, perfect. Now we put this on 0 and on 0. Then we have to create an O. An O, it's a open mouth. It's open mouth with a little bit of pucker. O. For me, this is the O. So we create a new shape from mix, OH, and we save it. Same, we go back 0 to 0, and now the C. The C for me it's like a little bit of a jaw open. Okay, so we create a new shape key from this CH, but you're going to see that I'm going to do something that it's now on the new plane shape created. We put it on 1, we select the face, and we are going to select, clicking L to the teeth, and we are going to put it a little bit up like C. So now we have the different business created here. So now we have to just select here AA, OH, and CH. We create business, and now as you can see we have all the business created that are the different one that requires VRchat. Okay, I'm going to do something that I haven't done before, but I saw some issues on some business that I think was here. As you can see, some part of the face can be. So I'm going to click tab. I'm going to select the face. Oh shit. Okay, I'm going to select this. Okay, I'm going to select this and hide it, and I'm going to delete some part of this. Clicking here, you can delete some part of this because it's not going to be visible. So if I'm not wrong, okay, now it's perfect. Amazing. Now we have our business, we have our eye tracking, we have our material in just one material, we have everything. So now what we have to do is just, I'm going to record this by Alelo. I'm going to put this, this is perfect. And now we select everything. The last thing that I forgot to do is create one same blend shape for the eyes, the eye blink. Okay, so we have to select for eye blink this one and eye blink this one, and I'm going to create a new blend shape, call it eye blink. Perfect. Now I'm going to put this on 0 and on 0. Now we select everything, scale, rotation, location, export it as an FVX. This is an old one that it's not. We have to click on path mode copy, and we click here, it has to be blue, and export FVX. So now we go to our creator companion, we create a new project, we select avatar project, we put a name. I have already opened one, so I don't need to create a new one, but I'm going to click on bring to front. So we are here. Now right click on the mouse, import new asset, we go to the folder and we import the FVX file. And what we are going also need is search the texture of the eyes and the jacket in my case, and you have to search the files of your avatar. For example, in my case, I have them here. That are the eyes and the jacket. So I'm going to add them here. I also need to add the VRL texture, that it's the body texture, the atlas texture of everything. So now I can. And first of all, what we are going to do is create 2 materials, 3 materials. This one is going to be called eye. So we only need to enable emission. We drag and drop on emission color, and we drag and drop on normal. The roughness is not needed. So now we have the eye color. We are going to create a new material, jacket, and we have to do the same. In this case we have metallic, so we put the metallic here, and perfect. And on smoothness we can put it a little bit down, so I usually put it on 0.5. Well, let's keep it like this. And finally we have to create a new material, call it body for example, and we are going to put the atlas texture that it's here on albedo. Perfect. Now we go to our avatar that it's here. As we can see, okay, we are going to change the rig into a humanoid. We apply it, and now we wait. As always, we have to wait a lot. Okay, now that it's loaded, we have to configure some style. I'm not going to save it, it's not needed. Now that we have our avatar here, what we have to do first of all is change this bone, chest and upper chest. The chest is going to be the chest lower, and the upper chest is going to be the chest upper. Then we go down, we select pose and enforce T-pose, and we apply it, and then we wait again. I don't know why, but at the beginning this is wrong, so I don't know why, but it has a quick fix. So perfect. Now it's loaded. We select save and we go back. Now we have to go to materials. On eye we are going to search for the eye material. For gradient jacket we are going to search the jacket, and for the material outlet the body, and we apply it. Perfect. Now we are going to delete this one, and we have this one good. So now we drag and drop here. As we can see, we have the outer. Now we can change a bit the material so we can see the avatar better. Perfect. I think this is correct. Now we are going to click on the avatar FBX, and we need to add a component called VRC avatar descriptor. Okay, this is the avatar descriptor for VRchat. First of all, we select view position, and we have to put the ball in the middle of the eyes. Why? Because this is going to be like our eyes inside the game, so it should be like something like this is perfect. Okay, second thing we are going to do is lip sync. We are going to select bees and blend shapes, and we are going to drag and drop by a body here, so it's going to load all our bees. Next thing, eye look, we are going to enable it. As we don't have eye movement, we are not going to put any eye here, we only want the eye lip. We are going to select blend shape. We are going to drag and drop again by a body here. And now we are going to do on looking up and looking down, we are going to select none, because we don't want the eye movement, but we want the blink. So we are going to search with the arrows of the keyboard the eye blink blend shape. So now we can see each time that we blink with both eyes. Now it's everything done. If we have done it well, we don't have to do anything more. We just go to the VRchat SDK, show control panel. I'm going to call it Clonex. I'm going to select a thumbnail that it's going to be my PFP, this one. And now we have to auto-fix this. These are some issues that Unity fix it for you. So just click on auto-fix for the first three ones. And when it's auto-fixed, we just only need to publish the avatar and start playing with it. In the meantime, we are going to open VRchat. If you want to add me, I'm Bayalelo. Let's see how it goes. Perfect, the first one is done. We go for the second one. The VRchat, open it. And now we go to the last one. Okay, now it's done. Whoa. This is super loud. Okay, let's see. Okay, now that it's done, we have to click here and then build and publish. We are going to save it. I'm going to save it like Clonex. And now we have to wait a lot. But this is the final wait. We are going to fix this. Okay, now as we can see, our avatar. Okay, now that we are on VRchat, we go here, we select avatars. Oh, this is the one. We go to profile, and we are going to have here our avatar, change into avatar. So now you can see the hand, but if we go here, yeah, exactly, we have our clone. As you can see, this is because the metallic, you can change it here. As you remember, I changed it here. If you put this on 1, and if you upload it again, it's going to look perfect. Perfect. Uploaded, we go back, we select here, avatars, Clonex. We are going to change for this one, and then again, whoa, then again to this one. So now, as you can see, the avatar looks perfect. When I talk, as you can see, the mouth is moving, and if I and the eye blink, it's automatically, but it looks super natural because sometimes it blinks, so it's perfect. And the best thing is the talking. I mean, when you talk, the mouth is moving. This is crazy. So yeah, this is the tutorial of how to upload your Clonex to VRchat.